Hey guys, do you have a basic lens cleaning kit for keeping your lenses clean? It's so important. So today let's go over my basic kit and I'll show you what I like to use.
Click, 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 click and a pick it. Click, 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 click and a pick it. Click, 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 click and a pick it. Click, click, click.
So Vern, can I just use a Kleenex or a tissue or even the toilet paper? Well, I guess if you're in a pinch, you could, but be warned. Some of these tissues are somewhat abrasive and they may scratch or damage your very expensive lenses or ND filters. Now, the other thing is, a lot of these tissues that you purchase, they sometimes will have a moisturizer in them. So you think you're cleaning your lens and you're smearing around this moisturizer. And also, a lot of these tissues are very linty. You will get a lot of lint on your lens. So you could also build up a static electricity by wiping them with these and attract more dust onto your lens. So sometimes you can create more problems than you're saving by not having a lens cleaning kit with the proper wipes. Alright, so if you're like me and you're looking at a camera and you're thinking, well gosh, do I need a lens cleaning kit? Yes, you need a lens cleaning kit. And you're not sure what's in a lens cleaning kit. What should be in a lens cleaning kit? Well, let's figure that out. Alright, so this is a kit made by Innovation. Alright, and I bought this at the camera store. Now, one thing that I love about this is I have a little carabiner that I can clip it onto my camera bag and it is never forgotten. Notice the emphasis on never. So if you're going to forget anything, don't forget your wipes, okay? You can forget other things, but if you touch your lens, then what? Alright, so it's pretty important stuff. So you got a little zipper here. You unzip it and you flip back the top. Now, if there's one super key important part in this kit that you just can't do without, that is this little blower bulb. And you use this to blow off your camera body, blow off your lens. If you're going to do a lens change, you pull back your lens, blow out the body really well, blow the back side of the lens, and then put your lens right back on. Okay? So this is the most important thing. If you're buying a lens cleaning kit and it does not have this bulb, buy a different kit. Alright? Okay, so the second thing that we have is this nifty little brush. Alright? So on the end of this brush, it has kind of a firm, some kind of a cloth on the end of this. And what they're kind of suggesting you to do is to scrub the top of your lens. Now, I'm kind of against that. I restored classic cars for 20 years, and I made show class paint finishes. And I don't like anything going on something that, if it's scratched, you're kind of doomed. So use this as a last resort. Maybe don't even use this on here at all. Maybe use this to clean some other part of your gear, but that's kind of what they offer, but I just want to give you my best thoughts on that. I've seen finishes scratch, and if you scratch a finish on your lens, it's not repairable. So, alright. The other thing is it comes with this sweet little brush. Now, the nice thing with this brush is you can get into hard-to-get-to areas and clean off a little bit of dust that you have. So that's kind of a sweet feature. So, probably the two most important things, other than the wipes, is this end of this brush and this blower bulb. Alright, so last but not least, we have the cleaning solution, lens cleaner solution. They recommend 1 to 2 drops on your lens, and then follow it up with using a camera wipe. Now, these camera wipes are the aftermarket ones, and notice that it has a camera symbol on there, so that way you know that they're made for a camera, which is super important. These are the stock wipes that came with this kit. Now, I keep quite a few wipes in here. I don't ever want to run out of these wipes. See, I really stock up. You might need a wipe, your friend, your buddy might need a wipe. And here's the deal. So imagine you're out, you're doing a shoot, and you realize you used your last wipe, and now what? Where are you going to find these? Where are you going to find a camera store that has lens wipes? Chances are you're not going to find one close to where you're at. So As an alternative, you could go to a eyeglass store. They would carry some lens cleaning gear, but be very careful what you wipe across your lenses. They're very sensitive and they're very fragile and they're easy to damage. So keep this stuff on hand and you won't have to worry about that. It's just that simple. Get yourself a little kit, find a way to attach it to your bag, and stock plenty of extra things in here. And even if you use this kind of once in a while, maybe carry an extra lens cleaning solution with you. And you could get the solution at an eyeglass store. They would carry that there. So that would be okay. So that's it. That's the basic kit. And now you know what's in it and what you're going to need to keep your camera clean. So in this crazy world, we always have the saying, go green. Well, in the camera world, it needs to say go clean. Because if you have anything on your lenses, your sensor, you're kind of hosed. There's no quick, easy solution to clean those safely unless you have the tools with you. So I remember going to the camera store and I'm looking around thinking, what else do I need? Do I need a cleaning kit? Well, yeah, probably I should get one, right? But what's in a cleaning kit? What's a thorough cleaning kit? And what I've showed you today is basically everything you're going to need. You don't really need anything else as far as I've come across for tools or wipes that I've needed to clean the basic things that need to stay clean, okay? So look for those basic things and you'll be good to go. All right, so hopefully that helped you. If you watched this video before you bought your kit, at least you have more knowledge than I had. And if that information helped you, consider throwing me a like, please subscribe, and let's grow together. Okay? Thank you.